Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, starting a three-part video series to make this assembly for a nightstand, a little functional drawer here. So the first video, we're going to make the drawer. Second video, we're going to make the stand. And in the third video, we're going to assemble them, put them all together. All right, just going to close this one down, and I'm going to have myself a fresh blank document. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new part. And when it opens up, I'm going to make sure that I am in my IPS, my inches. It should be your standard. I'm going to throw a new sketch onto the front plane. Front of this drawer, I'm just going to use a center rectangle. And I'm going to dimension it at 12 inches wide and 6 inches tall. Then I'm going to come over here to features. I'm going to extrude it at 12 inches. Should be a nice sized little drawer to have on a nightstand. Now to hollow this top surface out, I'm just going to click shell, click on the top surface, and for the thickness, I'd say about a 1/2 inch thick plywood would be fine. For a nightstand drawer, should be plenty sufficient. There we go. Now all I got to do is put a little pull knob on the front. So I'm going to grab another sketch, pick that front surface, and for my knob, once again, just keeping it simple, going to throw a little centered rectangle here. I'm going to dimension it at 1 inch tall by 2 inches wide. Then I'm going to come up to features. I'm going to extrude it by 1 inch. There you go. Got myself a nice little drawer that I can throw into my nightstand to add some color to it. And come up here to the appearance. And I do not want just the extrusion here. I want the whole part. There we go. And then I come over here and I pick whatever color I want it to be. You can play around with it. You can come down here. Make it look however you want it to look. Decorate your house as fancy as you want to decorate it. All right, I'll see you for video 2, and we will make the stand that this goes in.